One of the most common questions we get from visitors here at the North Carolina Zoo is, where do all your animals come from? And many are surprised to learn that more than 90% of the animals they see come from other zoos. While the old B-movie stereotype of hunters leading safaris into Africa to bring them back alive for zoos might have been the case in the 18th and 19th centuries, it's certainly not the situation today. Zoo General Curator Ken Reininger explains how modern zoos have evolved from animal consumers to animal conservers.
Well, for at least the last 15 or 20 years, most of those animals that come to the North Carolina Zoo come from other members of the accredited Zoo Association. Two of our black bears, both of our grizzly bears, one of our polar bears, a number of the birds in the Sonora Desert exhibit were all rescue animals. Well, of course, if we are going to not take animals from the wild on a whole-scale basis, and we're going to be sustainable, if we're going to have animals for generations to come, we're going to have to carefully manage them with each other. These are small populations. If they're not carefully managed, you can get into problems with genetics. We need to know each and every animal, its history, its parents, so that we can sustainably manage these. If we do that the right way, we will have animals for our visitors to see that will help us convey these messages about sustainability for generations to come without taking them from the wild.
While utilizing and managing captive populations and working to save wild populations as well, modern zoos have become the standard bearers for wildlife conservation efforts around the world. If you'd like to learn more, please check out the Association of Zoos and Aquariums website at aza.org. I'm Rod Hackney reporting for the Zoo Files, connecting your life to wildlife.